everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Amani, and on my channel we find luxury items, but we find them for less. We all love luxury items, but we don't want to pay those skyrocket prices. So I go and I try to find items for you guys for less. And I went to Home Sense today. I went to Home Sense. I found a restoration hardware dupe at Home Sense, and I also found one, I believe, at Home Goods. I want to show them to you. I think you guys will really like it. I was really surprised to find this particular item. I wasn't looking for it, but it just was there. It just appeared. I was so happy to find it, and I will think you like it. So I'm going to show it to you right now. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this.